Meaning of furrow.
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 Furrow. The term furrow can refer to a narrow groove or trench that is often created in soil by a plow or other agricultural tool. Furrows are commonly used in farming to prepare a field for planting and to facilitate the drainage of water away from crops. They may also be used to direct the flow of irrigation water to certain areas of a field. In addition to its agricultural use, furrow can also be used metaphorically to describe a deep line or crease in someone's face, typically caused by aging or stress.